I want to show you an accessory for your John Deere riding mower that every single owner of one of these little lawnmowers should have before your very first mow. If you don't get this accessory, sooner or later you are going to live to regret it. It is one of the most popular, but there's a very good reason why it's most popular, because you absolutely have to have it. Now, we did a video walking around this tractor showing you all the features and everything, and I pointed out in that video something very specific that you need to know about these and goes along with this accessory. So first off, this is all plastic. Everything, all of this, plastic, 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 plastic. It's all plastic. If we lift up the hood, this is all plastic. Your hinge, everything up here, plastic, 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 right? What does plastic do? Plastic breaks. It cracks, can be kind of brittle. It doesn't take much to bust up the front end of your riding mower. If you don't have this accessory, two things are going to happen. One, you're going to be sitting in the mower here, you're going to be mowing all along, and you're going to be staring at a broken hood or some cracked piece of plastic at the front end because you didn't get this. Or you're going to get yourself into a position where you have to go out and get a new hood, which you definitely don't want to have to mess with that. What you need is a front bumper for your mower. Look at the pedals forward and reverse right next to each other, side by side. The first time you meant to reverse and you hit forward and you put this thing into a tree or a fence post or anything, all this plastic up front doesn't last long when you do something like that. This front bumper will keep everything nice and protected. Your new investment won't be all banged up, plus it looks pretty stylish. Super easy to put on. It basically just clips into place. You don't even need any bolts or tools to do it. Anybody can slap this guy on and add a layer of protection to their new riding mower. To show you how easy it is to install this guy, we're just going to run it into the front of the frame rails there. You can see the bumper is on the inside on both of these. There's this little tab that I just pushed through actually, but it's right behind here. It's going to lock into place here, and our holes are going to line up there, and we'll put our pin back in. Let's see if I can do it one-handed from the side here. Look at that. Boom. So easy. There's our little tab that punches out. Then we're going to line up this hole right there, throw in our pin. And as easy as it is to do with one hand, imagine how easy it's going to be to do for you with two hands. Put our little washer on that guy. Slide him through. We'll put our clip back on the back side and do the same thing to the other end. Show you what this underside looks like with the pin there. You can see the pin back there. Now see how close we are to the exhaust. So a quick tip, don't do this when the engine's hot because the exhaust will burn you. Now here's the thing, that's how easy it is, simple, anybody can do it, right? Looks great, works great. It does, just using those pins, leave it loose. So one quick upgrade you could do is get some small bolts, get like a lock nut, maybe like a nylon lock nut, and put some small bolts in there, and you could really rigid it up and won't have that looseness. This front bumper will fit all John Deere 100 and 200 series mowers. But there it is. Now if we bump into a tree, fence post, anything like that, we won't damage our brand new mower. It's all protected, ready to go. There it is. Thanks for watching.